Well, today was a day when the CWC meeting took center stage for the Congress party. The top decision-making body within the Congress is CWC. The meeting, which was to focus on the 2026 polls and the preparedness of the Congress party, also had Digvijay Singh raising the issue with regards to decentralization of power on a day when Digvijay Singh has actually praised RSS. Let's get in my colleague Prashant, who's been tracking this story closely since morning. Prashant, the focus was supposed to be on Congress party's preparedness for 2026 elections, but the focus now has squarely shifted to what veteran leaders like Digvijay Singh are saying about Rahul Gandhi's ability to actually ensure decentralization of power within Congress.
That's right, Gauri, and even though Digvijay Singh has now backtracked partially from his tweets, and he has said that he was talking about the organizational strength of RSS and BJP, but he's against the ideology of RSS and he's anti-Modi, anti-BJP. But what should be more worrying for the Congress party should be the fact that Digvijay Singh is not the only person who has, questioned the ability of the party and Rahul Gandhi, because he has addressed Rahul Gandhi, ability of Rahul Gandhi to bring about reforms so far as organizational structure of the Congress party is concerned. We have seen in the past, be it Shashi Tharoor, be it former Congress MLA, and a host of other Congress leaders who have in the past raised, question marks over the ability of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party to reform and build the organization once again. So this should be the worrying factor for the Congress party. However, we have seen, we have been told by a top Congress leader that they should not learn any lesson from the RSS and BJP. They will look into their own history when it comes to building organization is concerned. So Congress might try to damage control the whole issue, but it's a fact that a series of leaders have now questioned party's ability to build organization, especially just a month after party's debacle in Bihar and 4 or 5 months on the eve of crucial elections like Kerala, Assam, where party is hoping to come back to power.
Absolutely. You have Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Assam, Bengal all lined up in just 4 months from now. And questions like these really being to center as to whether or not the Congress is prepared. Thanks so much for bringing us all those details. Prashant, my colleague, filling us in, even as viewers. After Shashi Tharoor, this is fresh trouble brewing for the Congress leadership, where several leaders have questioned the Congress party, and it's now party veteran Digvijay Singh. He is now an old hand within the Congress, former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, openly questioned Rahul Gandhi, and this time on a post on X. He said that there should be decentralized functioning within the Congress organization, and has admitted that it is very difficult to convince Rahul Gandhi, who's the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha and essentially the face of Congress party. He's also praised the RSS, talking about the organizational strength of RSS, which promotes grassroots leaders. A senior Congress source has replied to this, and the Congress needs to learn from its past and not from RSS. Well, source-based information also coming in is that Digvijay Singh raised the issue of centralization of power within the party during the CWC meeting, as well as urging for decentralization to actually take place, ensuring that the party is prepared for the elections next year. BJP, of course, has latched on to this opportunity and saying that the Congress needs to now look within. Instead of blaming and focusing on vote chori, it needs to now focus on the internal weaknesses and differences within its leadership. Listen in to some reactions coming there.
सीएम की जो फोटो आपने ट्वीट की है, वो उसको माना जा रहा है कि ये तारीफ है बीजेपी की, आरएसएस की, और बात ऐसा नहीं है। मेरी तारीफ संगठन की है। थोड़ा सा सीधा मैंने संगठन की तारीफ की है, और मैं आरएसएस का और मोदी जी का, उनकी नीतियों का घोर विरोधी था, हूँ और रहूंगा।
राहुल गांधी पूरे देश में बोलते हैं कि वोट चोरी की वजह से वो हारे, परंतु उनके नेता उनकी थ्योरी को मानने से इनकार करते हैं और बताते हैं कि संगठन की कमजोरी किस प्रकार की है। अब तो दिग्विजय सिंह, जो राहुल गांधी के मेंटोर है, वही कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी जी से कि देखिए अब समय आ चुका है कि हम लोग भी संगठन पर ध्यान दें और जिस प्रकार से हमारा सेंट्रलाइज संगठन है इसको डिसेंट्रलाइज करने की आवश्यकता है। मतलब कि पूरे देश में तो राहुल गांधी लोकतंत्र का ढिंडोरा पीटते हैं, पर खुद के संगठन में कितना लोकतंत्र है और कितना डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन है वो सबको पता है। यही तो अंतर है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी परिवार आधारित पार्टी है और बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता आधारित पार्टी है।
कि जो हमारा मकसद था कि गरीब तबके के लोग, दलित हों, आदिवासी हों, महिलाएं हों, माइनॉरिटी ग्रुप्स हों, उनको राहत मिले, वो इसमें बदलना जा रहा है। और जो एक डिसेंट्रलाइज स्कीम थी उसको ज़्यादा सेंट्रलाइज किया जा रहा है और दूसरा कि महात्मा गांधी का नाम हटाया जा रहा है। मगर मेन मकसद हमारा ये है कि जो एक स्कीम राइट टू वर्क के तौर पे हम लोगों ने प्रचलित की थी, वो आज उसका मकसद ही हटाया जा रहा है।
देखिए, वो बड़ी प्रसिद्ध पिक्चर है जिसमें माननीय अडवाणी जी बैठे हुए हैं और उस समय युवा कार्यकर्ता थे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, वो नीचे बैठे हुए हैं, अडवाणी जी बैठे हुए हैं चेयर के ऊपर। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कार्यशैली का एक प्रतीक है कि धरातल से जुड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति किस प्रकार अपनी प्रतिभा, क्षमता और संगठन के सहयोग से शीर्ष स्तर पर पहुंचकर भारत के सबसे लोकप्रिय और विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेतृत्व के रूप में उभरने में सफल होता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं दिग्विजय सिंह जी को भी, अब वो बहुत वरिष्ठ हो गए हैं, राजनीति को उन्होंने देखा है, तो इस रूप में जाके हो सकता है उन्हें इस बात का एहसास हो रहा हो